Hello, in front of me I've got Volkswagen Passat. In this video I'll show you how to enable and manage adaptive cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly, press this button on the bottom of this panel, and now select ACC via this button and OK button. Now press Main switch. Accelerate to desired speed and then press Set button. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go. Now, using this button, you can change distance from the following car. Using Res plus button, you can increase speed, decrease speed, and to disable this function, press this button again. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.